Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Education Minister, Favour Williams, has issued a strong condemnation against the series of fights taking place across Kingston and St. Andrew.
The fights, which have been ongoing for several days, already forced the closure of at least one school, and several boys are hospitalized.
Now, our reporter Dwayne Anderson begins our coverage looking at the situation which has been labelled school wars.
Anarchy on the streets of the corporate area. Students from multiple high schools fighting each other. Knives, stones, and even a bicycle used as tools of attack. Several students were injured in the fights, which have been going on all week. Education Minister Favour Williams says she has seen the videos.
I was saddened when I saw that video because I know across the length and breadth of Jamaica, we have been teaching, we've stepped up the efforts in terms of good behavior, sensitization sessions, putting in psychosocial support in schools. And so it was really disappointing to see the behavior of students from our very well-respected schools. And I am sure the principals, the teachers in those schools are saddened as well, because they know that is not what is being taught within the walls of those schools.
Minister Williams explained several steps have already been taken to control the situation.
The principals of the various schools have met. They put out a joint statement strongly condemning the behavior of the students and reminding them that good behavior is not only expected within the school walls, but they are ambassadors for the school when they leave the school as well.
Additionally, the state will be looking at its own peace in school programs to see where improvements can be made to get even better results. But while the authorities and adults do their part to restore peace among students, this appealed to the children.
Remember, you can always call on us, the adults, within your schools or other places, if there are situations over which you feel you don't have control, if there are issues in the way. We don't want to see you fighting out disagreements on our public streets or in public places. We want you to use all the resources that are provided at the school to enable you to better function in society.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.